Good evening, everyone. This is Mohan. I'd like to share a happy news with all of you. Here is an update with respect to the CA final post-result study and revision examination batches. The result is yet to be announced on February 10th. So soon after announcement of the results, we will be commencing the CA final post-results study and revision examination batches. But this time, we have started it a little earlier. We have started taking admissions much before the announcement of the results itself. If I'm right, we have started taking admissions and we are even allowing the students to come and attend the study and revision examination batches from yesterday itself. I mean to say from February 8th itself. And the first revision examination is going to be on February 12th, 20th. And do remember, as usual, we are going to have this CA final studies and revision examination batches, both in online and offline mode. And this batch is available at all our branches, including the central office, Guntur. And if at all, if you want to join in online mode, the process is very simple without any human intervention. You can you need to download the Masterbase Online Classes app, which is readily available in Google Play Store and iOS Store. So after downloading the app, you need to make the prescribed payment. You need to make the prescribed payment for purchasing the revision examinations and for which you can attend the examinations in online mode itself. Now coming to the physical batch. Before I proceed, let me show you the update. Much before the announcement of the results, today, that is on February 9, 2022, alone at Guntur campus, we had 25 admissions. Alone at Guntur campus, and this is the one-day admissions, the admissions that we had on 9th February 2022. Until now, we got a number of 112 admissions. We got a number of 112 admissions for CA final post results study and revision examination batches. This is the accumulated number. And this excludes, kindly note that this excludes the admissions that we had at our branches, and this excludes the admissions that we had in pre-results study and revision examination batches. And this also excludes the admissions that we had for CA Inter study and revision examination batches. And one more update. On February 11th, we are going to commence the CA Inter study and revision examination batches also. Please kindly share this video with your friends. And on February 27th, if I'm right, we are going to have the first revision examination for CA Inter students. And for CA final students, we are going to have the study and revision examinations from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. on standard basis. And in addition to that, the extended study hours facility is also available. I repeat, in addition to that, the extended study hours facility is also available. Interested students can also avail this opportunity. And for this extended study hours, we are going to conduct the study hours from morning 6:30 to 8 a.m. and again from 9:30 to 12 p.m. And as a complimentary, we are going to give one rapid revision batch video also. And not just the conducting the study hours. For those students who are going to join for physical batch, we're going to offer the following services. We give a schedule from day 1 to the last date. I mean to say till May 10, 2022. We are going to give the schedule. We're going to offer the services for 3 months up to May 10, 2022. We give a schedule from day 1 to the last day. Apart from that, we'll conduct the study hours from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Apart from that, we conduct examinations both on Wednesday and on Sunday. And immediately after completion of the examination, we give the suggested answers. And within 2 weeks, we even complete the valuation process and we even issue the valuation report on student-wise basis. And we are going to conduct the counseling sessions individually for probable failures. So before I conclude, I request all the students to kindly share this video to your friends. And same are the features available for CA Inter Study Hours and Revision Examination batches also. And for CA Final, we are going to have coaching facility on subject-wise basis. And for that, you can directly access our Masterminds online classes app, and you can make the required payment and you can buy the videos. And the videos are again available on either the videos are again available on two different basis. One is called the regular batch videos, where the explanation will be given on detailed basis. And if I'm right, the validity will be for 6 months. And the videos are available on a different vertical by name rapid revision batch format, where the entire subject will be revised within a short span of 35 or 40 hours approximately. So if you're interested to have a detailed discussion, you can buy the regular batch videos. And if you're interested to have a brief discussion, you can buy the rapid revision batch videos. This is all about the CA Final coaching facility. Now coming to the CA Inter. Even for CA Inter also, we have a coaching called the Crash Batch. We have a coaching called Crash Batch, where the discussion or the explanation will be in brief. And again, the coaching in Crash Batch mode is available in physical mode, in online mode, and also on video recordings basis. And if at all, if you are interested, you can buy the videos on subject-wise basis also. And again, for CA Inter students, you can buy the videos in a different format called the rapid revision batch videos, where each subject will be revised within a short span of 15 to 25 hours. And these videos are already available for sale in Masterminds online classes app. For more details, you may please contact 988-512-5025 or 26. And hostel facility is available both for CA Inter and CA Final students. Thank you. All the best.